Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we got a M12 3-inch cutoff tool that we're going to be converting into the Baxter 1/2 inch by 18 inch finger belt sander. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope your guys' day is going well. So we're going to be converting this M12 Milwaukee 3-inch cutoff tool into this Baxter Harbor Freight 1/2 inch by 18 inch long belt sander. It's a finger sander. We already did previous video. We already did the 3/8 version by 13 inch. Now we're going to do this guy. So let's get started. So this is the Allen key that comes with the tool, with the Milwaukee M12 tool. This is the Allen key that comes with this guy. And this is just a little Milwaukee Stubby screwdriver, ratcheting screwdriver. I wish this screwdriver had finer teeth, but so this kit right here came with the bit we need. It's a Torx 8. I get this shield off. Okay, close the shield. We're not going to be using it on this tool ever again, because this is going to be a permanent conversion. I already have this tool in this form. It's in the toolbox that I use cutoff wheels on it. I bought 2 more of these tools. There's one there. There's this one. That one's going to be permanently the 3/8 model. This one's permanently going to be the Baxter model. So, let's get it off. Use the push button right here on the back. Turn it till it locks, till the push button falls in. And this one you turn clockwise to loosen and counterclockwise to tighten. It's a reverse threaded bolt. Get her out. Take the arbor plates off. Okay. These 4 screws out. I'm going to be putting these screws back in the exact same holes that they came out of. Kind of setting the screws to the side in a pattern that makes sense, so it looks just like the pattern on the tool. 2 inner screws are closer together than the 2 outer screws. Okay, take these 2 guys off. I would keep all of these pieces you're taking off if you don't plan on using them on, another tool. If you have, like me, I have 2 of these tools dedicated as finger sanders, and I have one that's dedicated as its original tool, as a 3-inch cutoff tool. If you guys are going to do it like me, I would keep all these for the 3-inch cutoff tool version that you have, that you're going to use permanently as a 3-inch cutoff tool. If you don't, if you just want the finger sanders and you don't want the physical cutoff tool itself, then sell these on eBay or Amazon or Facebook or something like that. I'm sure somebody will buy them. Try to get this cleaned up a little bit. This is a felt washer is what it looks like on the center. Okay. Let's grab Grab the plate. Too wide, too narrow section. Sits on the tool just like that. And my suggestion when you're putting these screws in, because these are self-tapping screws, is these screws are lefty-loosey, righty-tighty like normal. My suggestion is you turn them counterclockwise or lefty-loosey while it's in the hole until the screw slightly drops. Then I would turn it clockwise or righty-tighty. What that will do is it will make sure that it lines the screw right back. The first thread in the screw will make sure it lines it directly back up into the hole it originally started. There it was. Lined right back up. So it makes sure that the first thread on the screw lines up with the starting first thread in the hole. Will actually make sure that you guys don't strip these out, because these self-tapping screws are going directly into a piece of plastic. And if you strip the plastic, you're gonna have to go to a hole size bigger. It's gonna be a pain. Oops. Alright. I put it in the wrong hole. But it didn't cause any damage. It's supposed to be in this hole right here. There, it dropped right there. I'm gonna thread it in. Same thing with this one. Dropped in the hole right there. We're gonna thread this one in. That one dropped in. One dropped in right there. Turn this so we can turn the ratchet back on. And just go ahead and do zigzag, you know, like if you're doing lug nuts on a car. Make sure that you tighten across from each other. Don't tighten them too much. You could strip it out. Don't He-Man it. Okay. This guy, we're going to friction fit him onto the shaft. Slide her down. You can turn it, it cogs, because it's a brushless motor. Go ahead and put this original bolt back in that threads on the end of the shaft. Counterclockwise or lefty-loosey is the direction that you want to turn it to thread it. Go ahead and push the button down to lock it down. Make sure we get it nice and tight on the wheel. Okay. That's all done. Now there is, this housing I thought was plastic originally. It is not plastic, it is metal. There is a cap at the end of this guy. Right here, this is just a plastic cap that covers the bolt for this pulley, which you do not need to take the plastic cap off. I just wanted to show you guys. So originally I did think that this was plastic, but I realized that the housing and the pulley are all metal. This shroud housing, it's just the shroud housing's painted black. And it does, this one does have a little rubber, looks like a burned tire, little mud flap on it. So we're gonna take this Allen key, pop it in here. Get this guy nice and loose. Also, whoa, knock the camera over, why don't we? Sorry, guys. Push that in. We're going to take the belt off first. And make sure that the legs collapsed. That's why it tilted over. There you go. Okay. We're going to rotate this off. So here's the body housing. I will be picking a secondary one of these up, and I'm going to be leaving this on it. We're going to be using it as an air tool. This is very nice. It's got an air adjustment on the side. Harbor Freight did really nice job on that guy. Slider on. Okay, I'm gonna tighten this Allen head down right there. Okay, it's nice and tight. We just slip the belt back on. Like that. Gonna push the side lever to tighten the belt. Boom. Okay. Conversion at that point is done. We have a battery right here. Forward, reverse direction. It's great. You just push the lever in to loosen the belt. To put a new belt on, snap it back down. Sliding all the way to the edge. Gonna have to push it in again. Gonna slide the there you go. That's the spot it wants to ride. It wants to ride up here at the top of the pulley. Could always take the bolt out, slide the pulley up, but as soon as you put the bolt back in, it's going to tighten the pulley back down here. But all in all, it looks good. It is the way that it's turning. So if you have it in forward, the belt slides this direction. If you have it in reverse, the belt slides this direction, but it stays on, no big deal. So that is how you do the conversion. And also, you can use this just like it would have been on the original tool. You rotate this guy for storage, lock her down. She'll stay in this rotation. No big deal. Turn it when you're ready to use it. You can tighten it down, or you could rotate it at a 90-degree down. You could rotate it 90 degrees up, any direction you like. You guys can experiment with that. Just wanted to show you guys how to do the conversion for the M12 3-inch cutoff tool turned into the Baxter Harbor Freight Baxter Professional 1/2-inch air belt sander, which is a 1/2-inch by 18-inch belts. You can get the belts from Harbor Freight. You can get the belts from 3M. You can get the belts from McMaster Car and several other places. So I do hope that the information helps. I did also convert the Harbor Freight 3/8 model as well. So there's 2 belts, finger belt sanders here now with batteries. I appreciate you guys' time. I would keep these if you have the cutoff tool as well. So I have 3 of these M12 3-inch cutoff tools. These are going to be both dedicated to this belt and this one. Never going to take them off again. And the 3-inch cutoff tool is the 3-inch cutoff tool. I'm going to save these parts just for the 3-inch cutoff tool. So I'll have 3 shrouds, 3 mounting plates, 3 covers, and 3 sets of these arbors. But you can sell them if you guys like. It's all up to you guys. I don't remember what Allen this is. This Allen came with the tool, the Milwaukee tool, and this Allen came with the Baxter. This Allen also comes with this guy. So this Allen key will unthread this guy and unthread this guy. So takes 1 key to mess with both. I do appreciate you guys' time. Hope this video was helpful to all of you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, I do have an Ulsa Tools link. That link will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. Excuse me. As well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order, ulsatools.com. So if you guys need anything from Ulsa Tools, click on the link. It saves you some money. It will also save me some money, helps me out. Also helps me buy tools for the channel and show you guys. I hope these conversions were helpful to anybody that wanted to do them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all of you guys that watch the channel, as well as all the subscribers. And hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace! Have a great day.